In this video, I'll show you how to add Stripe checkout to a website. First, sign into your Stripe account and open the Stripe dashboard. Before getting started, make sure you have a Stripe account connected and ready to accept payments. Next, go to the Developers section and locate your API keys. You'll need these keys when connecting Stripe checkout to your website. After that, create a checkout session using your website platform, e-commerce platform, or custom code. Most website builders and shopping cart platforms have built-in Stripe integrations that make this process much easier. Now, add a checkout button to your website and connect it to your Stripe checkout session. When a customer clicks the button, they will be redirected to Stripe's secure checkout page. Once the checkout page opens, customers can enter their payment details and complete their purchase using the payment methods you've enabled in Stripe. Next, perform a test transaction to make sure everything is working correctly. Verify that the payment is processed successfully and that customers are redirected back to your website after checkout. After that, review the payment in your Stripe dashboard to confirm that the transaction was recorded properly. Finally, switch to your live payment settings if needed and start accepting real customer payments through Stripe checkout on your website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Stripe checkout to a website. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.